in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset your Wi-Fi settings on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in network reset. Best result should come back with network reset. Go ahead and open that up. This will remove and then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN, client software, or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. I do want to make a note before selecting Reset Now. I would suggest having your Wi-Fi credentials nearby so that when you do restart your device, you will be able to easily connect back online. So just take note of that and then select Reset Now, select Yes, and then you can just close out of here and then restart your device. And there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point, the Wi-Fi settings should have been successfully reset on your Toshiba device. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.